you're experiencing frame stuttering on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your HDMI connection. Ensure that your HDMI cable is securely connected to both the PlayStation 5 and your TV or monitor. A loose connection can lead to display issues, including stuttering. Step 2. Update system software. Go to the Settings menu on your PS5 and navigate to System Software. Check for any available updates and install them. Keeping your console updated can resolve performance issues. Step 3. Adjust video output settings. In the Settings menu, select Screen and Video. Adjust the resolution and refresh rate settings to match your display capabilities. Sometimes mismatched settings can cause stuttering. Step 4. Clear cache. Turn off your PS5 completely and unplug it from the power source for a few minutes. This will clear the cache and can help improve performance when you turn it back on. Step 5. Test your internet connection. If you're playing online, check your internet connection. Go to Settings, then Network, and test your connection. A poor connection can lead to stuttering in online games. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate frame stuttering on your PlayStation 5. Enjoy your gaming.